Quick show of hands. Who here has checked their home's network for open ports or knows what Wi Fi security type you currently have? Now imagine this: your home network has an open port, or remote access is enabled, or you have a vulnerable password. This is exactly how the average person has their home network broken into, not through some Hollywood level attack, but through a simple weakness in their home's network that they never even noticed. So I ask you this question: what if checking your network was as easy as checking your credit score? Hello, I'm Daniel Joljaka, and I created Argus Net Protector. It's cross-platform, works on both Windows and Linux. This network scanner gives everyday users a straightforward visual way to secure your home network without needing cybersecurity background or knowledge. What makes this project innovative? Now, this is a great question. Argus Net Protector is a desktop application that is 100% written in Python using a modern graphical interface to perform 4 core tasks: scanning your network for dangerous open ports while detecting your Wi Fi security type, followed by analyzing your password strength with an internal scoring system, all while checking for risky system settings like disabled firewalls or remote access. Instead of having you jump through command lines or complex cybersecurity tools, users get a easy, color-coded dashboard and a security score, all without having your information harvested. I built Argus Net Protector using the following libraries: Custom Tkinter for the GUI, Python Nmap for the TCP security scanning, System Commands for firewall and remote access checks, and Report Lab to generate PDF reports. As you'll see, everything is modular, ensuring that the app is expandable and easy to maintain. This right here is the code for the GUI. This is the code for the scanner portion. And this is the code for the report portion. Who is it for and what does it solve? Argus is aimed to help non-technical users, people who are just getting into network security or IT, or just anyone that wants to secure their home's network, by offering a starting point without them needing to use complex tools. Over the past year, I've had the opportunity to work with people in my local community, helping them with their IT needs. And over that time, I noticed that there's a big problem, which is visibility. I would often get asked what to do to check if there are attackers on their Wi-Fi, or how do I know that my Wi-Fi is safe? And this inspired me to create Argus Net Protector. What makes it different? Now, if you're saying that there are other professional tools like Nmap or Wireshark, I 100% agree with you. And there are some simple antivirus apps like Malwarebytes, or there's even a commercial port scanning tool called Fing that is both for consumers and for companies. But these either require advanced knowledge or hundreds of dollars a month to use. While Argus combines port scanning with Wi-Fi evaluation, password scoring, firewall and remote access status checks, and it's coupled with a PDF security report all in one package that is free for life. Why should you care? Everyone in this room wants their home to be safe, and this should include your home's network. Argus allows you to make your home's network just as safe as your physical home. While most applications just want your data, my application only wants you to be safe. As the cybersecurity expert Bruce says, security is not a product, but a process. Argus is the first step in helping people every day start that process. Without further ado, let me introduce you to Argus Net Protector. This right here is Argus Net Protector. Real quick, I want to show off the quality of life feature that I implemented. Going off of your system settings, if you have light or dark, the app will go right to that setting. So in this case, I'll have it set to light. All you would need to do is to make sure you are connected to your home's network, and then press Run Scan. As you can see, the application status bar goes to complete. We also see the SSD that I'm connected to, which is my home network, followed with the common ports that attackers would use, my Wi-Fi security protocol, which is WPA2 personal, my firewall status, which is enabled, and my remote access status, which is disabled, which is great, and my password strength, which is 70%. And that all gets combined into your overall network security score, which mine is at 70% because of the weak password. Now, if I wanted to generate this report, all I would need to do is press Generate PDF Report, give it a name, click Save. I would go to where I saved that file, open it, and as you can see, we have a security report that has the time and date that the security port was created, the name of the SSID that was scanned, a summary of the overall report, as well as a details of the ports that were scanned. We get recommendations as well as a disclaimer. Thank you so much for your time.